Protective hard carry camera case. Waterproof and shockproof for gear, audio and video equipment, drones, and tools with foam. Device shell type: hard. Material: plastic. Color: black. Features: excellent shockproof, high quality, dustproof function. Widely used in aviation, outdoor photography, field investigation, scientific exploration, and many other fields. Composite buckle: the use of stretching process, smart, convenient, strong, to prevent the collapse of the box. Material: PP, sponge. Color: black. Package: buy the best products at the most favorable prices in Sellines network.